This is the elevator at the O'Hara Student Center, University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler 330A HT elevator with vandal-resistant HT fixtures. Go down to the basement. And of course, University of Pittsburgh security feature, you have to press and hold down the button. That's why I could not get this elevator to work at first. From 2010, but this thing looks newer than that for some reason. Schindler 330A HT vandal-resistant fixtures. Here at the basement. We'll go up to 3. There we go. I think it's some sort of University of Pittsburgh security feature where you have to press and hold down the button or something. Because it's the same thing with University Club and Posvar, I think. Here at 3, ooh, this thing's a bit loud. It smells like food in here. It smells like Fig Newtons. We'll go back down to 1 and 1R. Here's your Pitt ID reader in case of fire and ice elevators. ADA phone mounted on the panel. For newer elevators, there's your other button panel. Pretty basic cabs. Laminate, obviously. There's University of Pittsburgh sign. I guess window cleaning. Don't know why they're using a big indicator rather than the small indicator on the new install. That's weird. I'm pretty sure it's a new install, but they're using the big indicator. That's weird. The big EPCO indicator. I don't know why that is, however. It's going up. Goes back to